Good morning, students. Today we will see the topic Rights of Children and Women's Rights. The status of women in India has been subject to many changes over the span of recorded Indian history. This position in society deteriorated early in India's ancient period. Women's rights under the Constitution of India mainly include equality, dignity and freedom. After independence, Government of India passed many legislations to remove the injustice against the women and raise their status. The following are the social legislations passed for the welfare of women in India. The Hindu Widow Remarriage Act of 1856 legalized the widow remarriage. The Hindu Marriage Act of 1955 states that the marriageable age for women is 21. The Hindu Succession Act of 1956 ensured the right to women to inherit their parental property. The Dowry Prohibition Act of 1961 provides for drastic punishments for those ill-treating the bride in the name of dowry. Indecent Representation Act of 1999 prohibits the indecent representation of women in magazine, newspapers, etc. The Eve teaching law in 1997 gave relief to women. Indian Divorce Act 1969, Maternity Benefit Act 1861, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act 2013. In India, a child has the right to be protected from neglect, exploitation, and abuse of home and elsewhere. Children have the right to be protected from the incidents of abuse, exploitation, violence, neglect, commercial sexual exploitation, trafficking, child labor, and harmful traditional practices. Our Constitution has laid down the following principles to protect the rights of children against exploitation. They are: Article 39 provides facilities for children to develop a healthy manner. Article 45 provides that the state shall endeavor to provide free and compulsory education for all children